These days, every programmer dreams of building their own SaaS product, and that's a great thing. But creating a full software product from scratch is not easy. Many people make these 5 common mistakes which often leads to failure. In this video, I'll break down those mistakes so you can avoid them. And the last 2 points are very important that can definitely take your SaaS product to the next level. So without wasting any time, let's get started. A SaaS product is something that users actively engage with, and the user interface plays a crucial role. If users don't find your UI appealing or easy to use, there is a high chance they won't sign up or stay. That's why it's important to design an engaging and user-friendly interface before you start coding. Choose the right color palette that matches your product category and aligns with your logo and branding. Consistency in design builds trust. Also, focus on clear navigation, responsive design for all screen sizes, and fast load times. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate UI ideas, or tools like Loable AI, Figma, and UIZard to help visualize and create modern UI designs easily, even if you're not a designer. Next, let's talk about integrating a payment gateway. Unless your revenue model relies on Google Ads, you can skip this point. Payment gateway is one of the most crucial parts of any SaaS product. It doesn't matter which payment gateway you choose, Razorpay, Stripe, PayPal, or anything else. What truly matters is that the user can make transactions smoothly and securely. Before deploying, make sure to test the entire payment flow end to end. Handle edge cases like failed transactions, timeouts, and network issues. Don't skip this because this feature directly affects your revenue. Keep detailed logs of all payment activities in your backend, especially failed or incomplete ones, so you can debug and respond quickly if users face issues. It's also a good idea to create a dedicated support page from where users can report payment related issues. This improves the overall user experience. Finally, never expose sensitive data like your payment gateway keys in your front-end code or GitHub repo. Use environment variables and secure backend integration to protect your credentials. Nowadays, users have very little patience. They expect everything to load instantly. That's why your backend needs to be fast and responsive to deliver data to the front end without delays. Start by writing clean and optimized code. Avoid unnecessary database queries and always use indexes where needed. Offload time-consuming tasks like sending emails, generating report, or exporting data to background jobs or cron tasks. This keeps your main request response cycle quick and smooth. Use caching techniques like Redis or Memcache to reduce load on your database and speed up frequently accessed data. Also, compress your API responses using gzip or similar tools to reduce payload size. Additionally, monitor performance using tools like New Relic or even simple logs to detect slow endpoints and optimize them regularly. In short, performance is not optional, it's part of the user experience. Testing is one of the most overlooked steps in SaaS development. Many developers skip it. I built this feature myself and tested it while coding, but that's not enough. After implementing a new feature, it's essential to test not just the feature itself, but how it affects the rest of the application. Even small changes can break something you didn't expect, especially other parts of the system depend on that code. Always perform full regression testing after development. This ensures that new features don't accidentally break existing functionality. Automated testing can also help catch issues early and save a lot of time in long run. Remember, your users don't care how clean your code is. They only care if your app works. So, never skip proper testing before deployment. Now let's talk about deployment. When you're building a SaaS product, it's not a one-time job where you build everything, deploy it once and then stop. That's not how real-world development works. After deployment, users will start using your product and sharing feedback. They may suggest improvements, report bugs, or request new features. Based on that feedback, you will need to make regular changes and updates. and that means frequent deployments. Manually deploying your application every time can quickly become frustrating, time consuming, and error prone. To make the process smooth and reliable, you should set up CI/CD pipeline. A CI/CD pipeline automates many parts of the deployment process, like building the project, running tests, checking the code quality, and deploying to the server. You can also integrate automatic notifications, rollback options, and test coverage reports. This not only saves time, but also reduces human error and ensures consistent, fast, and safe deployment. So, if you're serious about maintaining and scaling your SaaS application, CI/CD pipeline is a must. Now, let's come to the last but one of the most important parts of building a SaaS product: scalability. As your user base grows, your application will face more traffic and increased server load. If your infrastructure is not ready to handle that, your application could crash, leading to poor user experience, lost customers, and in worst cases, a complete business failure. To avoid this, you need to plan for scalability early. Once you see potential in your idea and your user base starts growing, then set up load balancers that can automatically handle the load and launch additional servers when needed. This ensures your app remains stable under heavy load. Also, make sure to consistently monitor your server's health like CPU usage, memory, disk space, and error rates. You can use tools like AWS CloudWatch and Prometheus. Consider using a scalable cloud platform like AWS, GCP, or Azure, and containerized deployment with the help of Docker and Kubernetes for better resource management and auto scaling. In short, building a great product is just the start, but keeping it running smoothly at scale is what really makes it successful. So that's it for today's video. Give me your feedback about this video in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, then like this video and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. I will see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone.